Let's see how we just do some simple text. I have my text tool here, and there's basically two ways of creating a text box. First of all, you can actually just click one time in your on your paper, and then we can write something. There is a fox on the road. That is basically just a sentence. Whenever I write like this, I'll just take my my selection tool here. I have this bounding box, and it doesn't do any kind of paragraph returns or something like that. It's just in one go. If I try to scale this one, I scale it like this. I tweak it a lot. I'll just undo this. If I keep down my shift key and scale it, I keep the proportions of my text. What if I would like to have a text break? Then I'll use a text column. I use that by not just clicking one time and then start writing. I click and drag, so I draw a box that can contain my text. And then I have my text in here, and then I can start writing. There is a fox on the road to the... I can't spell right now. To the mountain, towards the left, sun or whatever. So I have some text, and you can see suddenly it breaks over here. So that is nice. What if I take my black arrow here and then I alter my text box? Look, it doesn't scale. It actually just make a paragraph returns over here. So that is nice. When I have this one and I scale that, and then I tweak it a lot. What if I would like to have the text altered? I would like to have another font. Then I go in and double click on my text here, and then I can choose this one, the word, and then I can say, oh, it was Monaco. I would like to have something else. I would like to have this one, and I would like it to be light. And then this word needs to be a different font too. That one, and it has to be smaller. So I can basically just choose whatever and then start tweaking it. I could also, if I want to have more fun about it, then you can see I have some basic text tools over here. Center text, towards the right, left aligned. And if I need to do something else with the paragraph, I just click here, and I got my paragraph panel as a shortcut. It is also hidden in my window here, where I have all my panel stores in type down here. But this is basically a shortcut, so you don't need to have it cluttered up with a lot of things if you would like to have a lot of text on a poster or something like that. Now I select this one, and I can, when it's all selected, I can actually, it will actually change all the things I have in my box to whatever I have here. Nice. Then I choose this one, and it has to be kind of a logo type. So can I put in some fun stuff? Yeah, you can just click on this button over here. Click, and then it shows you some options. I just need to drag it a little bit down. I can't because I'm into the box, so I'll just do a cancel, put this a little bit down so we have some more space to see the fun. Click on this one, and then arch. Oh, I can do a tweak here. And I can also distort it a bit. Oh, so I can do funky text for whatever reason, so I can do some more spicy stuff. And I have different funky versions here where I can actually put it in and flag it and make my text bend and whatever. It's quite fun. I'll just cancel this one, so go back to start. Click on this button, make your style here, and you can tweak it. Always. There's plenty of possibilities here. Look at the shapes here, showing you the initial kind of thing it will do, and then you just use the modifiers to the expression you would like to achieve with that. That was just the basic text in a hurry. So this one is if you want to have the words broken, and if you just click and go, then it's because you just have a word you can easily scale and tweak. That was the fast text.